All right, so the product that we're gonna try today is this RoundUp Extended Control. You get this at Walmart, you can get it on Amazon. Kills roots, guaranteed. Let me tell you something. So if you really want this product to work, you've gotta not water your plants for about 48 hours afterwards, because if you water your plants, like say, I don't know, 24 hours or 12 hours after, I mean, yeah, you're killing the weed, and then all of a sudden you're giving it a fighting chance at life by watering the ground. So you've got to like use the product, let it go to work, let it dry out, and then you can finally water. The longer you go without watering, the better the chance of the product actually completing and follow through with the job, which is killing the weeds down to the roots. All right, so I also want to say that there is a RoundUp product out there that supposedly causes cancer. I'm not sure if this is the one, but you need to do your research before you actually go out and buy this. I don't know if this is the RoundUp that they're talking about that Monsanto uses, but I use it. When I use it, I use PPE, gloves, and a mask. So do your own research before you use this product. Okay, so I've sprayed these weeds right here. You can see them all over my yard, right here. I just sprayed them about an hour ago. These little weeds are really a pain in my butt. And so, okay, so sprayed all of these, put them all ground cover. Gonna be a lot of dead weeds around here. Look at these, that cluster right there. Look at this cluster of weeds. Yeah, look at all these weeds. All right, so it's been about 8 hours, and you can see these plants, these weeds are basically zapped. I'll walk around and show you guys some of the... All right, so here's the ones in the cracks. How about these ones? Ooh, those ones, maybe I missed them. I might have to go back through and do it again. But the ones that got sprayed, they definitely, you can tell a difference. Oh yeah, look at this little area here. It looks like I missed a spot there. There's some of the ones I got on the cracks. Looks like this area didn't get hit enough. You can see right there. All right. Okay. Ooh, I missed some areas. All right, so there you go. It does work. You just got to give it 48 hours to let the RoundUp saturate into the soil and just kill the roots for the weed. And it just basically dries it out, turns them into kind of like, you know, what is it, chaff. You can just kind of dust it off with your foot and it's done. But you've got to let the soil dry out for 48 hours afterwards. If you try and water afterwards, those roots will rebound. And so that's my review. If you guys enjoyed this video and you find it helpful, you can purchase the RoundUp in the description below. There's an Amazon affiliate link, or you can go to Walmart and pick it up, or Home Depot. And thanks for watching this video and liking and subscribing to this channel.